collection framework in Java. See, what is collection? Collection, it is a group of object. Collection, it is a group of object. Array, it means it is a similar that type of element, and collection, it is a group of object. And in Java, collection, it is a framework. It means everything is available there as per our business requirement. We are going to use those like methods and classes. In collection, there are three important interfaces. You can simply consider here three important interfaces. First one is list, second is set, and third is map. Then see, list, it allows the duplication of data. It allows duplication of data. Set, it is a uniqueness. Set, it is a uniqueness. Map, it is a key value pair. Key value pair. Key, it means you can simply say like this is unique, and value allows the duplicate. This is like JSON structure. Best example, key value, it means you can simply consider key as ID, value as 121. Here I am giving one more example. Like we have, you can say name as Sora. Like here ID is a key, value is 121. Name is a key, value as Sora. Then in map, here key must be unique. Key must be unique, and value allows duplicate. And value allows duplicate. See, collection, it is a group of objects. There are three important interfaces: list, set, and map. List, it allows the duplication of data. Set, it is a uniqueness. Map, it is a key value pair, and key must be unique, value allows the duplicate. And whenever list we are going to add the elements, it follows insertion order. It follows insertion order. Then in list, there are two classes available. First one is, you can simply say ArrayList, and the second one, there is available linked list. Then here ArrayList follows DDL and linked list follows DML. DDL, it means which operations comes, select operations comes, like read the data. And DML, it means manipulations. You can simply say insert, update, delete. Such operations come there actually. Then ArrayList is more suitable for read operations. Linked list is more suitable for manipulations, insert, update, delete. Now we'll come up with the technical example here. Whenever you are trying to check PhonePe balance, right? You are using PhonePe application and you are trying to check account balance there. Then account balance you are trying to check, it means you are reading the data. You are reading the account balance. It means in PhonePe, if you want to like perform such operations like read the account balance, for such a coding perspective, you can simply use the ArrayList. Why? Because ArrayList is more suitable for read operations. And in PhonePe, if you are trying to transfer funds, it means some amount it will be debited from your account and credited to your friend's account. There will be happen some updation. That time you can simply go to the linked list. Why ArrayList is more suitable for read operations? Because ArrayList follows the indexing order, right, as array. Then if you want to fetch data for particular index location, you are able to point and able to get the data. And linked list is suitable for manipulations like insert, update, delete, because structure itself, there is available header node, data node, next and previous node. And definitely like manipulations, it's very easy in linked list. Now coming to set, it is a uniqueness. There are two classes available. First one is HashSet and the second one is TreeSet. Then see, HashSet, it does not maintain order. It does not maintain order. But TreeSet itself follows the order. You can simply say it follows order. Order, it will be alphanumeric. For numeric, it will give us the more priority. Next point in HashSet, it allows one null element. If you are adding more than one null element, the last one override the first one. And TreeSet, it does not allow any null element. In TreeSet, it does not allow any null element. If you are adding, it will give us null pointer exception in TreeSet. One more time, I'm revising. Set, it is a uniqueness. Set is an interface coming from Java.util package. There are two classes available, HashSet and TreeSet. HashSet, it does not maintain the order, and TreeSet, it follows the order. HashSet, it allows one null element, and TreeSet, it does not allow any null element. Now coming to next. Next is map. Map, it is a key value pair, and in map key must be unique. Value allows the duplicate. Then here two classes available in map. First one is HashMap, and the second one is TreeMap. Then see, HashMap, it does not maintain order. It does not maintain order. And TreeMap, it follows the order. It follows order. HashMap, it allows one null key. HashMap, it allows one null key, and it allows multiple null values. If you are adding more than one null key in HashMap, then what happens? Last one override the first one. Okay. And in TreeMap, it does not allow null key. It does not allow null key, but it allows multiple null values. Perfect. See, collection, it is a group of objects. There are three important interfaces in collection, like list, set, and map. Those are the three important interfaces in collection. List, it allows duplication of data. It's coming from java.util package. List, it follows the insertion order, comes in Java 1.2 version. Itself available two classes like ArrayList and LinkedList. ArrayList follows DDL, LinkedList follows DML. ArrayList is more suitable for read operations. LinkedList is more suitable for manipulations like insert, update, delete. In PhonePe, if you want to check account balance, go ahead with the ArrayList. In PhonePe, if you want to transfer the funds, then go ahead with the LinkedList, because LinkedList is more suitable for manipulations as a developer point of view. Next, set. Set is an Java interface, comes from java.util package, comes in Java 1.2 version, and it is a uniqueness. It does not allow any duplication of data. There are two classes available, HashSet and TreeSet. HashSet, it does not maintain the order, but TreeSet, it follows the order. HashSet allows one null element, and if you are trying to add more than one null element, the last one overrides the first one. And TreeSet, there is no any null element. If you are adding, it will give us null pointer exception. Now coming to next is map. Map, it is a key value pair. Here key must be unique and value allows duplicate. In map, there are two classes available. First one is HashMap, the second one is TreeMap. HashMap, it does not maintain the order, but TreeMap, it follows the order. HashMap, it allows one null key and it allows multiple null values. But in TreeMap, there is no null key, but it allows multiple null values. Then HashMap, if you are adding, like allows, you are trying to add more than one null key, then last one override the first one. And TreeMap, it does not allow any null key. If you are adding, it will give us null pointer exception. Then today's session, we are just going add with those three interfaces and whatever classes available within that interfaces. Then first we'll start with the list. For that perspective, I will simply go ahead with the Eclipse, and there we are going to create the project. Then simply come up with the file, new dynamic project. I am giving the application name here. This is collection framework. Now coming to inside our application, src main Java there, you can simply right click on new package. The package name I'm giving here com dot, this will be vdi dot, you can simply say core. Now simply right click on package, new Java class we are creating here, and the Java class name I'm giving, this is ArrayList example. This is our which method? Main method, you can simply say. Now I am just going to add here list. This will be list, you can simply say it is an interface coming from java.util package. There is I is coming. I, it means you can simply say this is an interface. Then list, it will be type of, I am adding here string. We are giving here list equal to new array list. New array list. Now we are going to add list dot add. I am adding some name here. See once I will list dot add. We are adding here. This will be Yogiraj. Next we are adding here list dot add Aditya. list dot add. I'm adding here one more. I want to add here, and I'm giving the name as, you can say, Aparna. We have available here 4 records, but now I'm just trying to add here one more record, and this will be duplicate. You can simply say like Yugaraj. I'm adding here duplicate. Now, if I'm going to print it by using printing statement list, it will print all the records. It follows the insertion order. Whatever like sequence we have added, right? It will follow the same sequence, and it will give us the output. See one screen like Apeksha, Yugaraj, Aditya, Aparna, and again Yugaraj. But instead of that, I want to iterate the record. Then we are just going to say for each. This will be string type of record, right? Then you can simply say list. Otherwise, you can simply say those are the name. List of name we have available, and simply trying to use here. This will be name. Now simply run a Java application. It will print the output here, whatever we are expecting. Perfect. Then here we are using ArrayList. ArrayList is more suitable for read operations. Correct? It follows DDL. Whenever we are going to touch with the database, it means advanced Java. That time we are going to fetch data from database. That time, if you want to fetch the data, retrieve, read the data, then go ahead with the ArrayList. Now we are using here core Java. Then you can use ArrayList, LinkedList. That will be fine. No worries. And here by using this for each, we are able to iterate the record. But nowadays we have Java features available. And then you can directly call list.forEach and simply say system.out. And here we are calling this is println. Then see one screen. It will give us the output what we are expecting. Perfect. It follows the insertion order. Apeksha come first, then Yugaraj, Aditya, Aparna, and then again Yugaraj. It means list it allows the duplication of data. List itself, it allows the duplication of data. Then here we are using ArrayList. ArrayList is more suitable for read operations. Correct? And we are able to iterate the record by using for each. And here we have used here Java 8, you can simply say, and this is method reference we are using to print the records. Now same code I am using here linked list. You can simply consider here instead of ArrayList, now I'm creating here new Java class as this is linked list example. There is we are creating main method. Then instead of ArrayList, I am replacing with this is linked list. See, line number 3 is unwanted. Then use Control A, Control Shift O. It will delete the unwanted line of code. Again, it will print the same output. See one screen. How? Because linked list is the part of our list interface, and list it allows the duplication of data. And it follows which order? It follows the insertion order. It means whatever sequence you have added the record, same sequence, it will give us the output. That's why here Apeksha come first, then Yugaraj, Aditya, Aparna, and Yugaraj, right? Then here the main difference is that if you want to do manipulations, insert, update, delete. Now we are using core Java. We are not touching with the database. That's why we are not adding, inserting, updating, deleting data here. Fine. But once we start with the advanced Java, then definitely whenever manipulations comes, then we'll prefer linked list. And whenever read operations comes list or form, then we'll prefer here ArrayList. I hope you got the clarity. And list itself follows which order? It follows the insertion order, and it allows duplication of data. And list is an interface. There are 2 classes available, ArrayList and LinkedList. ArrayList is more suitable for read operations, and LinkedList is more suitable for manipulations, you can simply consider. Now coming to next is set. Set, it is a uniqueness. There are 2 classes, HashSet and TreeSet. Now I am creating the next program for HashSet. New Java class you can simply consider. This is HashSet example. We are creating here main method. Now I am just going to add those number of data whatever we are trying to print it. Then here you can say instead of list you can simply say set is an interface coming from java.util package. See, here is it. See, java.util package. Then instead of linked list we are using here HashSet. And now instead of list I am making here this will be set, and replacing this object with the set itself. Perfect. Control A, Control Shift O, unwanted line of code, it will delete. Then this is the example for HashSet. Set is an interface. For set we are not able to create object. this object we have created with new HashSet. HashSet, it means this is the class, and for class we are able to create the object, and set is our object, you can simply say, and object.add, we are able to add some data there, correct? And then accordingly we are trying to print the data here. Then what will be the output of this program? Anyone have any idea about that? What will be the output it will print? It's very easy, right? Already we have seen the theory, correct? See on screen, we already seen here some theory part, correct? Then HashSet, you can simply say, is a part of set interface, correct? It is a part of set interface. Then set, it always unique. It does not allow duplication of data. Then definitely it does not maintain the order, correct? Then here order is not matter for us, but Egoraj it will print once. Simply run a Java application, it will give us the output. See, Egoraj comes once, right? And if I'm adding here set.add like null, and again I'm adding like more than one places, I'm just going to add here null. What happen? It allows only one null element. It allows one null element. It does not maintain the order, and it allows uniqueness, right? Yeah, those points we need to take care here. Then it allows only one null element. Now it will print only one null element. See one screen. Perfect. If you are trying again, it will print only one null element. Perfect. And there is no like order, like Apeksha comes at the last now. Perfect. The same program we'll use for TreeSet. New Java class. Here I am giving TreeSet example. This is main method, you can simply say, and instead of HashSet, I am using here TreeSet. It will give us null pointer exception. Why? Because there is no null value. It's not allowing null value. Whatever theory we have created, it follows the order. It means ascending order. Ascending order, it means start with A, it will come first, right? I hope Aparna it will come first, correct? And then here we are adding null, and here it does not allow any null element. Then what happens? It will give us null pointer exception. See on screen. We are expecting null pointer exception. Is it correct? See, here is null pointer exception. And null pointer exception is an exception. This is which type of exception? This is, you can simply say, compile time runtime exception, actually, not the compile time. This is our runtime exception, you can simply say. Null pointer exception, it means runtime exception. Then see, whenever you are doing run a Java application, exception comes. This is our null pointer exception here. Perfect. Then now I'm just going to remove those null, and we'll see what will be the output. Now it will follow the uniqueness because it is the part of set interface. Set allows only unique data. Now it will print Egoraj once, but it will follow the order. Which order? Alphanumeric. Here, which one come first? I hope Aparna it will come first, and what will be the last? Egoraj it will be last. Correct? Oh, Aditya is coming first, right? As alphabetic. Correct. See, run as Java application. See, here is Aditya, then Aparna, Apeksha, then last one is Egoraj. If I'm adding here set.add, and here I'm giving Sora. Now simply try it. Then whatever we are giving alphabetic, accordingly to print there. See one screen. Now if you're adding here null, it will give us null pointer exception. But now I'm adding set.add, and I'm adding here a numeric value 1, 2, 3. Now which come first? For numeric, it will give us the more priority. Okay. See one screen. Run as Java application. 1, 2, 3 come, and then it will follow the alphabetic ascending order. Okay. See, here is alphabetic ascending order. It will goes to follow. Perfect. Then such a way we done with here list and set. Right. If you have any questions, you can feel free to ask your questions as well. See, set, it is a uniqueness. There are two classes available, HashSet and TreeSet. HashSet, it does not maintain order, and TreeSet itself follows the order. HashSet, it allows one null element, and TreeSet, it does not allow any null element. Perfect. Now coming to next is map. Map, it is a key value pair, and here key must be unique and value allows the duplicate. Now there are two classes available in map, like HashMap and TreeMap. HashMap, it does not maintain order, but TreeMap itself follows the order. HashMap, it allows one null key and it allows multiple null values. But in TreeMap, there is no null key, but it allows multiple null values. Then we'll go ahead with the implementation of map concept here. And map also the part of Java interface, Java collection framework only. Now right click on package, new Java class. I'm giving here. This is, you can say, like HashMap example. HashMap example. I'm just adding here main method. Then you can simply say this is the map. Map, it is a key value pair. I'm passing here string type as a key and value, and this will be map equal to new hash map. Now we're adding here, this is map dot add, but map don't have the add method. Map have which method available? Key value pair put method. Then here key, I'm giving ID, the value I'm passing 121, and here map dot put, we are passing the key as name, value we are passing here Sora. Coming to next, map dot put, I'm just adding here key as salary, and the value we are passing here 96,000.99, ending with semicolon. One more, I'm adding map dot put, and here I'm adding, this will be address, and the address we are adding here Pune, ending with semicolon. Now we are trying to print it. Then we have available Java for each. I will prefer to this one, map dot for each. This will be, you can say, key, and this will be the value. Now simply try to use printing statement. This is key, you can say value, key value pair, right? Key must be unique, value allows the duplicate. Then this is kind of like, you can simply say happy path scenario. We are just trying to run a Java application. Map, it is a key value pair and it does not print in the order. See one screen. Like salary we have added at second line, but it coming first, right? See one screen. Now we'll come up with the main concept of this map. Here I'm just adding address, and here you can simply say I'm adding Mumbai. Now I'm adding here, you can say map.put, and there I'm adding like triple A value, I'm giving null here. Now you can simply say this will be map, but here I'm adding key as a null, and here value I'm adding ABC. One more, I'm adding here, this will be, you can simply say PQR. Now tell me what will be the output of this program. Anyone of any idea about that? Like here we have given two addresses, Pune and Mumbai. Which one goes to print? I'm expecting, like HashMap does not print in the order, right? But what about this null and the key? Anyone have any idea about that? Already we have seen the theory part. Okay, that's why I'm asking this question here. Okay. See, you can simply do some analysis here. Like we have created the HashMap objects, and you know, HashMap is a part of map interface, right? HashMap, it allows key value pair. This is key and value. Both are the string type. Next, HashMap does not maintain the order. HashMap allows one null key and it allows multiple null values. And HashMap is the part of map interface. Key must be unique, value allows the duplicate. Here we are expecting key unique, it means it will print address Mumbai. The first one override the last one. And only one null key, it means like XYZ, this key goes to override the ABC here, right? Yes. Then see one screen. Perfect. See, here is XYZ is coming. Same thing here as well, we are able to see. And the address also Mumbai. Now same program I will create in TreeMap, new Java class. TreeMap example. Here I am creating which method? Main method. This is instead of HashMap, we are giving TreeMap. Now what will be the output of this program? Instead of HashMap, now I am using here TreeMap. Run as Java application. It will print which exception? Null pointer exception. And this is runtime exception. Now I will remove the null key. Now what will be the output? Now at least you will be able to highlight output here, right? Null value will be possible actually, correct? Now we don't have any null key. Then it will follow like first thing, map it is a key value pair, key must be unique, value allows duplicate. Here we have available duplicate key. Which key is duplicate? Address key is duplicate. Then definitely last one over the first one. It means address Mumbai to print. Next point, it will follow the which order? Alphanumeric, right? Yes. Then ascending order you can simply say. Then here we are expecting AAA. Then it will follow the address, and then it will come up with such a sequence. And last it will print the salary. Like ascending order you can simply consider. Run as Java application. See one screen. Is it correct? See one screen. If you are not using this null as well here, simply remove. I hope you got the clarity here, right? Like TreeMap, it follows the order by ascending order on the basis of key. Key it means this is the key. ID, name, salary, address, right? Then ascending order, which key come first? Address. But there are two address. But map, it allows only unique key. But here we have given duplicate key, line number 14 and 15. Then definitely address it will print the ones. Like last one over at the first one. And it follows the ascending order. See one screen. See here is our output. Perfect. Like such a way, we done with our TreeMap as well. Then map, it is a key value pair. Key must be unique. Value allows the duplicate. There are two classes, HashMap and TreeMap. HashMap, it does not maintain the order, but TreeMap, it follows the order. HashMap, it allows one null key and it allows multiple null values. And TreeMap, it does not allow null key, but it allows multiple null values. And number of places, we are going to use those list, set, and map as per our business requirement. One more time, I'm going to revise because this is a very important concept for us to work on project. Collection, it is a group of objects. There are three important interfaces, list, set, and map. List, it allows the duplication of data. It follows the insertion order. There are two classes available, ArrayList and LinkedList. ArrayList follows DTL, LinkedList follows DML. ArrayList is more suitable for read operations. LinkedList is more suitable for insert, update, and delete. Set, it is a uniqueness. There are two classes available, HashSet and TreeSet. HashSet, it does not maintain order, but TreeSet, it follows the order. HashSet, it allows one null element, and TreeSet, it does not allow any null element. If you are adding, it will give us null pointer exception. Now coming to map. Map, it is a key value pair. Key must be unique. Value allows the duplicate. There are two classes, HashMap and TreeMap. HashMap, it does not maintain the order, but TreeMap, it follows the order. HashMap, it allows one null key and it allows multiple null values. TreeMap, it does not allow any null key, but it allows multiple null values. Like such a way, we done with our basics of collection here. Fine. And nowadays, instead of using data structure, we have available collection and Java features by using Stream API. If you want to search the record, sort the record, everything is possible. Now we'll simply come up with our ArrayList example. And here, if I want to sort the record, then you have available Java features. You can simply use list.stream.sort it. Which order you want? Ascending order. Then you can simply use comparator dot comparing. This is string type of data. You can simply use string, and this is our method reference. Directly call to string and simply use for each. System.out println. Here we are able to sort record by ascending order. It will print start with a alphabetic order, whatever we have. Perfect. See one screen. If you want descending order, simply use reverse function. See one screen. Run as Java application, it will print the reverse order, whatever you are expecting. Then such Stream API features also we are going to learn in upcoming sessions. But in today's session, I just given the very basic example here. Now coming to next example, we'll create the linked HashSet. For that perspective, I am just creating new Java class. This is linked HashSet. Linked HashSet extending the property from HashSet. It means whatever property in HashSet, those available in linked HashSet as well. Okay. The linked HashSet, it follows the insertion order. HashSet does not maintain the order, right? But linked HashSet, it follows the which order? You can simply say insertion order. Now we have given the class name itself linked HashSet. Don't give the class name as linked HashSet. You can simply give the such a class name like linked HashSet example. That will be fine for us. Okay. Yeah. Perfect. Then here I don't want to use java.util directly. You can simply say new linked HashSet, and now it's coming from java.util package. Perfect. Then here Control A, Control Shift O, Control A, Control A, Control Shift F, it will format the code base. Linked HashSet, it follows the insertion order, and this is non-synchronized. And whatever features are available in HashSet, like it also allows one null element. Then see insertion order, it means Apeksha, then null Yuguraj Aditya Aparna Yuguraj we are expecting. See one screen. Is it correct? It follow which order? Insertion order. Then if your business requirement comes, you want to follow the insertion order, but it will be unique element, then you can simply go to the linked HashSet. I hope you got the clarity. Linked HashSet follows the insertion order, and it also allows one null element. Now, one more time, I'm just trying to run a Java application. See one screen. Whatever sequence you have added, same sequence it will give us the output. And linked HashSet comes in Java 1.4. Since there will be, you are able to see since 1.4. And internally they are extending the HashSet and implements the property of set interface. Now coming to next we have available linked HashMap. For that perspective, I am just creating new Java class. You can simply say this is linked HashMap. Example. Don't give your class name as linked HashMap, okay? Try to give example a concept ending with. And here is it, our main method. See, this is linked HashMap. It also follows the which order? Insertion order on the basis of key. And it also allows one null element. See one screen. Insertion order it follows the, correct? It also allows one null element. Now suppose if we don't have the null element, then simply check. There will be new key. It follows the insertion order. Run as Java application. See, it follows the insertion order like ID, name, salary, address, right? It follows which order? Insertion order. And this is key value pair. It also like whatever has map, like we have features available, it also allows one null key and multiple null values. But the important thing, linked HashMap always follows the insertion order. Then now coming to again our list example here. I want to give some high level example here. New Java class I am creating. This is, you can simply say ArrayList advanced example. See, here is it our main method. I want to create here one class name as custom class. I am giving here employee class private. We have integer emp have id. Next private string emp have name. Then we are adding here private. This will be double emp have salary. Now I'm creating the constructor here. Simply right click, go to source, generate constructor using fields. We require the salary as well, right? It's not coming. Why it's not coming? Simply save it, and then right click, go to source, generate constructor using fields. See, salary also coming. Now I want to create the getter setters. Right click, go to source, generate getter setters. Select all, generate it. Now I want to create here toString method. Go to source, generate toString method. If you want to create equals hash code contracts, you can simply right click, go to source. We have available generate equals and hash code contracts as well. Perfect. This is called, you can simply say like Pojo class. Pojo. Plain old Java object. That's called Pojo class. Now coming inside our main method, main class, right? Then here I am creating the list. List it will be type of our employee. Then simply say here employee list equal to new array list. Either you can use linked list, otherwise you can go to the array list. Array list is more suitable for, you can simply say read the data. Linked list is for manipulations. Now I'm adding here employee list.add, and here I'm giving new employee. Now I'm adding here 121. This will be, you can simply say Aditya. Next salary we're adding here 96,000.76 ending with semicolon. We are adding here at least 5 records. See one screen. 5 records I am trying to add here. Perfect. Now we are adding, this is 122, 123, 124, 125. Each one we are giving somehow different name. I'm just giving here, this will be Apeksha. Next we are adding here Aparna. Next we are giving Aditya's duplicate record also fine here. but I'm just changing to Ram here. And the one more we are adding here, this is, you can say, Rajesh. Perfect. Then now each one we are adding somehow different salaries. Then here you can simply say this will be perfect. Each one we have added different salary. How many records we have added? We have added here 5 records. Now we are trying to iterate it. Employee list dot for each, simply call system dot out, and then you can simply print ln. Now simply try run as Java application. It will print all the 5 records. Perfect. Now if you want to filter the record, those employee have salary more than 90,000 salary. Those if you want to print, how many we have available? We have 3 records. Those have 90,000 plus salary. And how to filter? Then simply call employee list dot stream dot filter, and then we are calling here, this will be emp dot get salary. Those who have like more than 90,000. Then we are going to print it. See one screen. Now it will print only 3 records. See one screen. It means by the stream API we are able to filter the record here, right? Yes. Now if you want to sort the record, you not require the quick sort, bubble sort, heap sort, merge sort. You have available Java features. Employee list dot stream dot, you can simply say sort it and directly call here comparator, and then you can use dot comparing and call here our class name employee, and the method is get emp salary dot for each. This will be system dot out print ln. Now ending with semicolon. See one screen. Again we are trying to sort by salary. Run as Java application. See which salary lowest, it will come first. See here is it. If you want descending order, simply write here dot reverse. It will print accordingly. Run as Java application. See one screen. Descending order. If you want sort by name, then you can simply copy it. Simply add here. This is sort by name. Now you can say get name, emp name. We don't require reverse, we require the ascending order. That's why I just remove the reverse method here. Now it will print start with a ascending order. See Aditya, Aparna, Apeksha, Rajesh and Ram. But if you want reverse order, then you have function available here, reverse. And once you are calling your reverse function, it will print a reverse order. Then see one screen. Simply do right click, run as Java application. It will print reverse order by name. See Ram, Rajesh, then Apeksha, then Aparna, and then Aditya, last one. Like such a number of things available within our collection framework. Then as per our business requirement, we are going to learn those all the features from collection framework. And this is very like basic level we have taken this session here.